Well, if it isn't the sleeping beauty coming back alive. I was getting a little bit worried there. I thought I gave you a little too strong dose. It was a little more than usual. I mean, I didn't want you to wake up before we got there. It did take a while, but I didn't think you would sleep for over 4 days. I don't mind seeing your beautiful face when you were lying there, though. I could do it for over 1,000 years if I could. I wish I could be with you for over 1,000 years. But oh well. Now we're finally together again. I have missed you. What do you think about the place? A little run down, I know. But at least we're so far out that I don't need you to be in a basement anymore. Now we can be upstairs here with me, so we can be together 24/7. As fates want us to be. I do have some cold food for you ready. You need to get back to your strength. You look all ragged and bony. I can't let my beautiful be that. I said, eat up. If you actually want a decent life, you need to listen to me. How long have you been staying with me? And still, you are still not obedient. I want us to be happy together. I want to let you go of those chains. But as long as you're not behaving, I'm not letting you have a decent life. I take the food back. So you don't even want it anyways. What am I gonna do with you, huh? I can't let you go. I neither want it or can. You will just snitch. I don't kill you either. Even if you're getting on my nerve a little too often. You know what? If you're not obedient, I will have to make you. I need to punish you for real. And giving you treats if you're nice. So from now on, no food or no water if you don't start being obedient. I don't even care how bad you feel, how much you need it, but if you are not listening to me, you will just not be rewarded. No. That's just cruel. I can't force you to like me, and I don't want it to be fake. It just takes time. Like all great things. Here's some food and water also. Since you're now living in the living room, you're upstairs. You also have access to the TV, so I'll just give you the remote. You can watch whatever you want. I'm going to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Just scream if there's something.